Today I got a very beautiful topic. Should public parks should be free or not? So let us speak. First, before going to any aspect, before let us go that why public park is important. Why public park is made for our society. So public park is essential for our children, our teenager, for walking. For you can see our surrounding that pollution is everywhere. So public park must be there at everyone place, and also public park should be free for walking for entry charge. But
So hello everyone, this is Karan and today I have been got a wonderful topic, that is public parks should be free or not. So my point of view is that public parks should not be free. Because why? Because you can see most of the people are working in the park. How will they manage? And if they will be free public park, so every people unless come on the park and they pluck the trees and etc. If they will come unless, so there will be crowdness, and there will be and how can manage the owner of park? So it will be harmful for the peoples. And thank you.
So good morning everyone, it's Anjali here, and today our GD topic is should public park free or not. So according to me, no, it's not be free, because nowadays we see each and every person, they want to go to the park and they want to do entertain there. They just want to entertain themselves. They don't have any concern with the exercise, with the walking and here and there. They just want to go there with their friend. They just want to do some fun. So I think it's not should be free, because if you start taking money from the people, so they will think before coming there. They will think, should I go or not, because I will have to pay the money. So good morning everyone, our topic is public park should be free or not. So according to me, public park should be free, because if I talk about those students, their family environment are not good and they want to learn, and so they will use park for studies. So if they will use to park for studies, so if they will pay every day 10 rupees, so how they will manage, because their family conditions are also not good. So how they will manage to pay 10 rupees daily?
Good morning friends, my name is Akars and we are here doing GD on the public parks should be free or not. So I will stand that public parks should not be free, it should be chargeable. Why I am saying that? If public parks should be park will be chargeable, they don't have to be depend on the government fund. They have not be worry about the cleaning. If government will provide any fund, then after we will do such type of activities, and they can add some extra features like rides and some activities and all. And one more thing, if they are charging, they can control the overcrowding also. So thank you. Next I will put my points.
Yes, sir.
I will take it.
Sir, can I? Good morning, everyone, and respected sir. Today's topic is should public park free or not? Yes, sir. In my opinion, public park must be made free, because government of India is a welfare government, and if government is not allowing public park free of cost, then this is a complete injustice with the common man, because there are so many people in India who can't afford to a square meal. Forget about affording the cost of public park. And if public park should be made free, then people will study in a park, people will indulge in group study, people will do many conversation in a park. So the question arises here, public park must be free, so that those people who are coming from lower strata of society, they should visit the park and they should not get deprived just because they are coming from lower strata of society. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Shikib. Our today's topic is should public park be free or not. So according to me, public park should not be free, just because, as my previous speaker said, I'm agree with him. Just there's a lot of people who cannot afford that cost. Just like there is some orphans who live in the roads, who live in the roadsides. And they are also students, and they are not able to afford 10 rupee or 20 rupee every day. That's why I think they also want to study in nature. They don't have a special area just like library or something like that. That's why they usually go to the park, sit on the bench, and started studying there. That's why I'm thinking they are not capable of afford 10 rupee or 20 rupee every day. And if the owner of park or if government wants some charges, then they should take charges from parking area. There's a lot of people come with the bikes, cars, cycle. They should park with them if they want to maintain the park. Thank you.
Okay. This side. Okay. So good morning everybody. So hi, this is Prerna Jaiswal. So our topic is, should public park be free or not? So I think that public park should be free. But why I'm saying this free? Because as we all know that like every elders are here for maintain their health. Because as we all know that most of the elders are suffering for illness like sugar, like asthma, like most of the things are there in their health. So I think that it should be free because every day they are come and they want exercise and they want to feel the environment. If there is chargeable, then how can they manage? Because everybody is not the richest, everybody is not from the middle family, everybody is come from small family background, and roadside of people, they are come for the feel the environment. So that's all from my side. So I'm a Vilasha. So in my opinion, I think public park should not be free because they are taking only nominal charges for the maintenance of the park. And if we want a good park, then we should pay for it, for the maintenance, for the cleanliness. And if we depend on the government, they will not going to do any work for the park. They will they start filling their pocket for their own use. So it should not be free because we are the people who go to the park for enjoyment, not for the knowledge or for the development. So that's all from me.
So good morning everyone, this is Miss Sia over here, and the topic that is, should public park be free or not? So according to me, it should be free because we have right to do activities here. If we have right to do activities like we can see that there are the lots of activities we organize here. Sometimes in the large area we can organize the program, we can organize the event, we can organize the lots of activities, marathon and sports. If they will take in money, so how they will organize this kind of activities? So thank you, that's all.
Or anyone?
So sir, I think public parks should be free, because if you think about now parks should be free or not, this is a different aspect. Our youths are spending thousands of money in cafes and any other areas, but are not spending 30 rupees, even 15 20 rupees for public parks or others. This 15 and 20 rupees are not a huge amount, but this is a amount that maintain capital and make the environment clean and helps to maintenance of the park. And if you talk about now a public park is not only the government area that provide environment for our public citizens to play, trip and enjoy. It's also a type of tourism. If any foreigners comes to our India, in fact our Bihar, he comes to our park and say how wow, what's the Bihar having a good park and with a free fee. So how Bihari's park give an impact to our foreigners. Thank you so much.
Good morning to all of you. I am Saif, and I'd like to add some points. According to me, public park should be free because in India there are lots of people suffering from obesity. So if the public park is free, people are crossing in front of the gate of the park, but they are not going in because there is a charge, 10 rupees or 20 rupees. If the public park is free, people will go there, take a look around there, run around the park. So that will cause good things in our health. And other points. Today sir invited us to come to the park only because for our activities, and the park is free. So most of the students come. But the park takes the charges, so most of the students will not come. They will think, oh, we have to pay the charge, so we will not go. That type of thing will happen. And as we all know, this is modern India. Everybody is using their phone. Everything is online. So most of the people don't want to go outside of their home. So, but the park, if the park is free, they will go to the park. They will talk with friends in there, and that's one point. That's why park should be free.
Okay, so I want to include more point, that is, if I talk about like dirtiness of public park, so it is only under the government. So if government put the dustbin, so this is not going to be dirt anywhere. And if I talk about like leaves and all that, it is as we seen that it is going to fallen down leaves and all that. So I don't think so like public parks should be chargeable.
Good morning everyone, myself Ruturaj Singh, and today's topic is should public park are free or not. So both of are important, or should free or not the payable of the park, because in children those who are not feel the nature and every day not come to the park, so these are not playing the game of outdoor games. Because of it, in this city we have no ground only for the park. So in children, in the some criteria is free. For the elder one to paid chargeable, it is very beneficial because of maintenance of the park, and it is the matter of the hygiene, the proper cleanliness of the park. So and on the parking of the bike, it's very safety. When you paid the price of the parking, then the security guard have the monthly income, so you can chargeable on the park. So that's it.
So hello everyone, my name is Adarsh Sharma, and we got the one topic, that is the should public park is free or not. So in my opinion, the public park should be chargeable, because as we all know that the persons are doing lots of activities in the parks and in publicly, but they don't know how to use the public places. They are coming for to feel the natures, but they think that we are doing lots of activities here, we're following the rappers anywhere, so it must be chargeable. And as we all know that in the morning time, from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock, it's free for every person, because of they are walking here, they are coming for fresh air, so it's a free. And after that it's chargeable. Why? Because of the crowd, because they don't know how to use the park. That's why they are charging some money from the publics to do some activities and give some facilities to the publics also.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rohit Singh and I am a student of Rebel classes. Today our topic is park should be free or not. So I will support park should be free. Why? Because we are also already paying a taxes and road taxes also, and poor people also, and everyone is paying a GST also. So at least government one should be free like park. And if it will be free, then every poor person come inside, and mother and father come and see the beauty and show the beauty to their children also. So according to me, and I will support park should be free. Thank you.
So sir, so being a girl, sir, I have money for eating gupchup, and boys have money for their petrol, for riding their bike, but we don't have money for doing activities in the park. How we can say that we don't have money for park, like for 10 rupees and 20 rupees, it's not that much costly, so everyone can afford the price of park. It is too affordable for everyone who are, first of all, who are going to the park, who have money in their pockets, the middle class family, so they have enough money to pay at least 10 or 20 rupees. We can't say we don't have money, so I can't go park for my activities, for my studies. Even if you are coming from the poor cities or from the villages, and for further studies, they have 10 or 20 rupees for their studies. So that's all from my side.
I would like to add some more points. So the noticeable point is that why people come to the park to connect with the nature, to enjoy the beauty of nature. And if you will look at the situation of the public park which are free, there is not any hygiene, there is not clean. So how they will feel good after going the park? So if the public authority, if the public park management want to clean the park, they have to be dependent on the government bodies. They have to dependent on the government fund. And if they are charging a minimum amount, they can clean the park whenever they want, and public will definitely enjoy the beauty of nature. So it will be the point to why the public parks should be chargeable.